Hi, my name is Russ Bruin here with Carlsbad Gourmet at the Fancy Food Show in San Diego, California. We are Strawberries by the Sea. Did you know that 88% of all strawberries in the nation come from California? They're all grown within inside of the Pacific Ocean. What we have here is all our products made out of strawberries. We have a strawberry barbecue sauce here, which we use to sweeten our sauce. 23% of a strawberry is sugar. When most people sweeten a barbecue sauce, they use sugar, brown sugar, or molasses. We use strawberries to sweeten this sauce here. We also have a strawberry vinegar here, which is very good. And then we also have our #1 selling product is our strawberry honey mustard salad dressing. That's incredible. All natural, no preservatives. Our strawberry ginger mustard here is really good. We use a little white wine added into there to give it some additional flavor. And the strawberry hot sauce has won awards all over the country at fiery food shows, Zesty Best shows, and other shows of that nature. Then we also have our strawberry lilikoi spread, which is a first place winner. That's lilikoi is Hawaiian for passion fruit. And we have so this is a strawberry passion fruit spread. It's incredible. Our strawberry pomegranate, very healthy. This strawberry spread here is our first product we ever developed, and that's being served on every peanut butter and jelly sandwich at Legoland, California. We also have a strawberry black walnut, which has fresh black walnuts along with our strawberry spread mix in there. And we have the same thing here with our strawberry pecan. You can just see all the big chunks of pecans in here. It's really in a nice, really, really good sauce. Then we come down here, we have our spicy ones, the strawberry jalapeno, strawberry habanero. Those are really good over some cream cheese. We did a holiday flavor, strawberry cinnamon fig. This is really, really good stuff, especially if you got some desserts or anything you want to use in that nature. Our strawberry lavender spread is very unique. We take this flavor of strawberries, add the nice unique flavor of lavender together to give you a really good flavor. And then we also make this lavender jelly, which is from the Valley Center lavender fields of California. They have over 20,000 different types of organic lavender there, and we take this and look at that. Almost looks like honey. This is really good stuff. What's really good for this is you can heat this up, melt it down, drizzle it over some fresh strawberries, and you have one really good treat. If you're interested in any of our products, we are Carlsbad Gourmet, Strawberries by the Sea. We'd love to answer any questions you have, or check out our website at carlsbadgourmet.com. Thank you very much.